Hello guys. Welcome back to R.J Tech. In this video I will tell you how to fix this error GLFW 65542 during install on Minecraft. In this video we fix it using very simple method. So let's get started. So first open any browser and type here open gll.dll. Click on the second link. Now download here the DLL file according to your system architecture. After download and open it. Right-click on it and click on extract here. Now copy the file with extension .dll. Then right-click on the legacy launcher and open file location. Open the JRE folder. Then open the bin and paste here. Now restart your computer. After restarting, open the launcher again. You see Minecraft start correctly. I hope this video was very useful for you and solve your problem. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you, have a good day.